Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Monday is DIY and I'm going to show you a face mask that is perfect for oily skin, for acne prone skin, and even for pigmentation. Always test it before using it and let me know in the comment below if you like it. What type of face mask would you like to see? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video.
This is a very simple DIY that I want to share with you guys today, which is made of 3 spoons of green tea. Squeeze half of a lime and add 2 spoons of this juice into the container. And because acidity could be too much, add 3 spoons of plain yogurt. Mix everything well until you get a consistency like this. I love this combination because it contains natural bleaching properties that will help us to reduce any hyperpigmentation and keep our skin very healthy. Green tea helps to reduce inflammation and decrease sebum production. Lime juice will kill acne bacteria and even your skin tone. At the end, apply your favorite moisturizer.
This is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making face masks, so let me know if you want me to prepare a face mask for a specific skin problem or made of your favorite fruit. I don't know, just let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe if you like it, give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Pura Vida!